एक ग्राहक के लिए सिर्फ एक कार है, वो उसकी शाइन और उसकी कीमत देख पाते हैं, पर उसके पीछे की पूरी कहानी नहीं।
I am Ved Pratap. I am the founder of Detailing Bull, a company I started 6 years back in Delhi. Back then, we were one ordinary car cleaning store with a handful of staff. Today, we have 13 stores with almost 150 plus employees, and some of them are working with us since we have started.
जब मैंने इस कंपनी की शुरुआत 2015 में की, तो ये सिर्फ एक ट्रेडिशनल कार वॉश बिजनेस था।
और हमें काम मॉल के चुनिंदा कस्टमर्स या पर्सनल रेफरेंस से मिलता था, तो हमें जल्दी से जल्दी बड़ा बदलाव लाना था। हमने फिर अपने बिजनेस को एक नया रूप दिया ताकि हम आजकल की एडवांस कार्स की नीड को पूरा कर सकें और जो कस्टमर्स के लिए पॉकेट फ्रेंडली भी हो। The next thing we did was the remodeling the entire business and to shift from a traditional car wash setup to a complete detailing business.
Then we started educating our customers. It took us a bit longer, but really did help us reaching out to the right customers who love their cars. We started getting a lot of inquiries around the country. So we thought it was the right time to open a franchisee stores in different cities to reach out our customers. With the business expanding, we had to ensure that we maintain the quality. And the key to that is our staff and the franchisee owners. When the pandemic hit, the country shut down and our sales suffered. But we knew we had to keep the business alive for our sake and for the sake of our staff and our franchisee owners. Luckily, as cars were standing idle during the shutdown, detailing services rapidly went up. And within few weeks, we were overbooked at all our stores. When most retailers in the city were struggling for their survival, we went the other way around and increased our spend by working together with creators to highlight our work and to reach more and more audience.
And the spends were worth it.
Today, our business is not just back on track, but also we are among the best retailers in India. And now we were able to make sure that the families of our staff are well taken care of. It would have been a very different picture if we had not gone creative at time, but thankfully we did. We learned, we adopted, and that's what brought us here, prepared and ready for tomorrow.